In this video, we will be going over how to create individualized student start files using the scoreboard program, as well as some of the academic integrity controls that can help prevent cheating in the classroom. So first, this is the assignment that we're going to want students to have to fill out. This is the professor's answer key. And one thing that we can do with scoreboard is we can paint certain cells purple by using the fill, the color fill right here. And if we fill it to this purple, the standard purple color, all of these values will shift on the student's assignment. So basically these numbers won't be the same for this midterm grade on any of these students' assignments, and that's something that we will look at in just a little bit. But first, we want to bring up the roster that we want to have the scoreboard create the individualized assignments for. So this is the sample roster that we are going to use. And one thing to note is that in order for the program to generate these files correctly, it must be in the order of first name and then last name and then the email. Again, first name, last name, email, in order for the scoreboard program to be able to generate these assignments. So next we need to open up the scoreboard program. And in order to have the program create multiple files, one for each student, we need to turn this named files for each student on. This will then prompt you to either shift the formulas and shift the values. It is recommended that you do this for both. Shifting the formulas will change the cells that the students are answering the questions in, and then the shift values is the mode to turn on value shifting with the purple cells, like we changed on the professor's assignment. So the next thing we need to do is hit this create a start file button. This will bring up a place for you to choose what document you want to have created into a answer or a start file. We want to click this one here, hit OK, and then it will prompt you to select a roster with your students. So same thing, we just click the sample roster and hit OK. Now it's going to have you save it somewhere on your computer. I'm just going to save it to my desktop for now, and we hit OK. So this can take a while for your computer to generate. So it is recommended, to not open up anything else. Just let the computer create the files and go from there. So once you're done, you will get something pop up on your computer like this that says that it was a success, that all of your files have been generated, and it will give you the total runtime as well. You hit OK, and then go to the folder that you saved all of your files to. So in this folder, you can see that all 10 of the assignments are here. It just has all the individual student start files, and if we click on one, we can go ahead and look at the value shifting. So on the left is the original assignment, and as you can see, Bobcat Joe would have gotten a 68 on the midterm on this assignment, and on this one he got a 69, as well as 85 to 86, 65 stayed the same, and you can go back and forth and kind of see how these cells have changed, and they are also different for other students' assignments. So this one on the left is an assignment for Aretha Tarling, and on the right is the assignment for Abdul Locarno, and as you can see, these assignments are also different. So 71, 69, 87, 86, just to add another layer to prevent students from cheating. The next thing to do is to put it in a place where students can get access to their files. So to do that, you're going to go into the folder that you're going to have shared with students, hit this new button, folder upload, and then it will have you go into wherever you have stuff saved and upload a folder to Google Drive. You're going to hit upload, and then it will upload all of these. So as you can see, these are going to start to come in. Once it is complete, it will look something like this, and you can go ahead and share this Google folder with your students. To share this with students, you're just going to go up to desktop, share, copy link, and then anyone with this link will have access to the start file. So you're going to upload that link into your learning management system and then just prompt the students to download the start file that matches their information. Once the students have completed their individual start files, you can use the scoreboard program to record the grades and compile the information about the individual assignments to make it easier to transfer into your learning management system. To do this, you're going to hit this record grades button on the recorder sheet on the scoreboard for Excel program. So you're going to hit the record grades. It's going to bring up a place for you to go and select all of the assignments. So what you need to do is go through and select all of the assignments that you want to have the program automatically grade and compile for you, and then hit this OK button. The scoreboard program will then go through and this is a save location, just save it wherever. But as I was saying, you can, the scoreboard program will go through and compile all of the students' individual grades for this assignment. Once the recorder program is done running, you will get a compilation of the point breakdowns for all of the assignments that you had run through the recorder system. So as you can see, you have the percent and the points. So if your learning management system takes the percent for all the students, all you're going to do is highlight these two files and upload them into your learning management system. And then also, if your learning management system takes points, you're going to highlight these two columns and upload these into your learning management system. So you don't have to go through and individually type out the grades for each of the students' assignments. Like generating the individualized student assignments when it is running, it is best not to open up anything else on your computer. Just let the assignments automatically grade and record themselves into this worksheet. And then once they are done, you can go ahead and do what you need to do on your computer. But that is how you create individualized student start files and how you run them all through the recorder program all at once. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this video has been helpful.